Hello fourth class, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. Now students, tell me what you have learnt in your previous class. Okay, now in our previous class we have learnt about the key events of the story, the magic spell. Okay, now this is your block 7. Today we are going to start with block 7 and this is the lesson 1 of your block. So students, I will read a problem for you. Rani is not going to the bedroom alone because she is afraid of the dark. Now student, think about its solution. So this is the solution for this problem. Rani lights a candle or switch on a light and takes her mother with her to the bedroom. So this is a solution for this problem. Now students, today we will identify the problems and solutions in the story The Magic Spell. So students, tell me, what was Ammu and Anoop's main problem and how did they feel about the problem? So Ammu and Anoop wanted to get rid of the car because they felt embarrassed. क्योंकि देखो उनका मजाक उड़ाते थे ना उनके सारे फ्रेंड्स, तो सारे स्कूल के सामने उनको एम्बेरस होना चाहते थे, एम्बेरस होते थे. तो देखो यहाँ पे लेट्स सेल इट टू द म्यूजियम. सो दे फेल्ट embarrassed. So their problem was how to make the car unlucky. So this is the problem. What was the problem? The problem was how to make the car unlucky. How to make the car unlucky. So this is the problem. Now students, what solution did person suggest? Now students tell me who did they go to for help and what solution did this person suggest? So they went to Jennifer for a magic spell to help them. She told them to bury a bone near the garage and they say a magic spell. So this is the solution. This is the solution. क्या solution बताया जेनिफर ने? She told them to bury a bone near the garage. So student, this is a solution. She told them to bury a bone near the garage and say a magic spell. And what is the magic spell? Avada Benzinga car. ये magic word आपको बोलना है. This magic spell, you say this magic spell. So this is the solution of this problem. The problem was how to make the car unlucky. So this is the solution for this problem. Now students, tell me, what was another problem they had? How did they feel about this problem and how did they solve it? So the another problem they had was that their father got hurt in an accident. So the another problem they had was that their father got hurt in an accident. So this is the problem they had, was that their father got hurt in an accident. Okay, now tell me, how did they feel about it? So they both felt guilty because they thought it was the magic spell that did this to their father, कि ये मैजिक स्पेल की वजह से हुआ है उनके फादर का एक्सीडेंट. ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट टेल मी, they tried to solve the problem, and what is the solution of the problem? The solution, they tried to solve the problem by digging up the bones, but bones was missing. Now they really think the car is unlucky and magical. तो solution क्या निकाला उन्होंने? They digging up the bone. They digging up the bone. तो बोन्स को निकालना चाहते थे ना. Now look at this. By digging the bone, it knew we were trying to get rid of. जो मैजिक स्पेल है उसे बाहर आना चाहते थे. So they think they digging up the bones, but the bones was missing. And now they really think the car is unlucky and magical. So there are the problems and there are some solutions. Okay, now student, tell me, what makes the magic spell a realistic fiction story? So this is a realistic fiction story. This is the magic spell, है ना. So this is a realistic fiction story because the characters their problems and solutions are real. For example, in the story, the problem of trying to get their father to sell the old car can happen in our lives too. स्टोरी में क्या हुआ था कि जो चिल्ड्रंस थे वो क्या चाहते थे? दे गेट देयर फादर, दे ट्राइंग टू गेट देयर फादर टू सेल द ओल्ड कार. और आप भी चाहते हो ना कि आपके घर में कोई, आप रियल लाइफ में भी ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप किसी चीज़ को बेचना चाहते हो, है ना, सेल करना चाहते हो. सो दिस इज़ अ रियलिस्टिक फिक्शन because the characters, their problems and solutions are real. So this is a real fiction or story. It is a real fiction story. Now student, tell me, do you recall a time when you felt embarrassed or guilty? What made you feel like that? Tell me. Yes, I felt embarrassed when my mother slapped me in front of my friends. And I feel embarrassed when my teacher asked me to stand outside the class for not completing my homework. So I feel embarrassed or guilty. Okay, students. Now, student, let's discuss our worksheet. Now, student, this is your S1 of block 7 problems and solution. This is your question 1. Write the problems and solutions in the story The Magic Spell. You have to write a problem and you write a solution from the story The Magic Spell. For example, problem क्या थी? The problem was how to make the car unlucky. And what the solution? Jennifer told them to bury a bone near the garage and say a magic spell. So this is a solution. So you have to find out a problem and solution and write down here in the question 1. So student, this is question 2. Read the story and write the problems and solution. So student, there is a story. There is a story. Read this story and write down problem and solution here. Okay, from this story. So student, after watching this video, you have to complete your S1.